on the garden steps. The morning held its breath when you said my name. I saw our years in one small look, like a book left open on a candlelit table. And I knew then what forever means, not a promise far away, but the way you stay. Take my hand, take my hand, I'm yours for all my days. Stay with me, and I'll keep mine the same. Through every turn, through every storm, I'll choose you again. I choose you again. Your ring caught light as you smiled at me, and every face around us felt the quiet of the sea. We came this far with our scars and songs, and every little ending led us where we belong. So let this moment set its roots in stone. I was made to love you, not to walk alone. Take my hand, I'm yours for all my days. Stay with me, and I'll keep mine the same. Through every turn, through every storm, I choose you again. I choose you again. If the road gets long, if the nights run cold, I'll be the fire at the center of your home. When the years go by and our hair turns gray, I'll still hear your voice, the first and final way. Take my hand, I'm yours for all my days. Stay with me, and I'll keep mine the same. Through every